If I told you that this was my first paid job, would you believe? The first cake I'm actually paid to do outside my home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me. I've already trimmed it and stacked. So guys, here I did the crumb coating for the top layer. This is an 11-inch by 6 inches and this is 10-inch by 5 inches high cake. That's the base. So this is where I put them together after I've chilled them in the fridge, getting ready to put the fondant. So guys, I've put the layer of fondant awaiting decoration. And this is me trying to cut out different shapes that I will use to stick on the fondant decoration. And this is after I've done majority of the look. I kept it here so I can clean up and properly arrange my space to take a cleaner, a better, and something nice. I wanted to take a better video of this cake, and this is where I kept it me while I cleaned up my environment. So guys, this is the final look. If I told you this was my first paid job, other cakes I've been making are for my family and friends. Guys, I was paid for this job and I'm happy.